Hello everyone. 10 fully funded PhD positions in the field of artificial intelligence. Yes, you heard that right. 10 universities, 6 countries, 1 video. If you have been waiting for the right opportunity to start your PhD journey, especially in artificial intelligence, then this is the most important video you will watch today. Stay until the end because every single one of these opportunities is open right now in the year 2026, and I am going to give you everything you need to apply. So starting out first, before that, let me introduce for all the new viewers out there. Okay, welcome back to Scholarship. This is the channel where I find the best funded academic positions and scholarships from the top universities around the world and bring them all straight to you. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications right now so you never miss a video like this one. Let us get straight into it. Okay, first up we have the most important one, that is Utrecht University, Netherlands. Sorry for my language because my pronunciation might not be right. So for everybody who is from other countries, I am extremely sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Okay, so the first opportunity is at Utrecht University in the Netherlands, which is a fully funded PhD in sequential decision making and AI. This is part of the prestigious NWO funded DECIDE project, a large-scale national initiative involving Utrecht, Eindhoven, Delft, and the University of Twente. You will develop adaptive learning systems that make your AI decisions more transparent and explainable to every citizen in domains like your healthcare and your mobility. Now, talking about the salary runs from 3,059 euros to 3,881 euros per month, plus holiday pay and year-end bonus. You need a master's in AI, computing science, mathematics, or data science with strong coding skills and machine learning experiences. You need to remember this. That is, the deadline is 15th of May 2026. So approximately you have a month to prepare everything. Full details are in the description below. That is, I've been providing you with the link. Okay, the details, you can click on it. Okay, each of this PhD opportunities, I'm going to put the link out there for anybody who is wondering and want to, because I'm going to cram up all these PhD opportunities in one video, so it's a lot to discuss and I don't want you to hear me rambling around for half an hour or so yeah. So for anybody who's interested in this kind of the topic and has the all mentioned requirements and are looking forward in order to gain this, kindly look into the link which I'm provided in the video in the description box below. Apply, prepare all your data. You can contact the professors, they have given that as well. Okay, moving on next to the second opportunity is at the Inria Saclay, France, École Polytechnique. Okay, so number 2 goes directly from the Netherlands to France. Okay, a fully funded 3-year PhD at Inria Saclay, one of Europe's top research institutes in collaboration with École Polytechnique. The project is on multi-fidelity scientific machine learning, designing AI systems that can combine cheap approximate models with expensive high accuracy simulations with applications in patient-specific digital twins for medicine. The gross monthly salary is 2,300 euros starting from September 2026. You need a master's in engineering, applied mathematics, or a related field with a specialization in machine learning or uncertainty quantification. Need to remember the main important thing over here is the deadline. So deadline for this opportunity is 1st of August 2026. Again, we'll be providing you with the link in the description for this opportunity as well, while we move on to the next one. Okay, number 3 is in Norway. NTNU, one of the world's leading technical universities, which is hiring a PhD candidate in AI for marine systems design, connected to the newly established Norwegian Maritime AI Center. You will explore how foundation models, generative design tools, and reinforcement learning can transform how complex ships and marine vessels are designed. The salary is NOK 550 800 per year with excellent Norwegian welfare benefits. Mind you, Norway is a good choice for anybody who is looking to relocate. You need a master's in marine technology, engineering design, AI, or computer science. This one has an urgent deadline of 25th April 2026. So if this interests you, then you need to apply immediately. Okay, again, link is in the bio. Feel free to look into the detailed conditions. Try to contact the professors if you have any queries. And yeah, so let's go to the next one. Back to France. This is opportunity number 4. That is Inria Côte d'Azur, Sofia, Antipolis in France. Number 4 is another Inria position. This time is in the beautiful Sofia Antipolis Tech Hub in the south of France. This PhD is on knowledge graphs and Neuro-Symbolic AI, specifically building intelligent systems that can model and predict how users explore data through visualization tools. This is a fascinating blend of semantic web technologies, AI, and human-computer interaction. The contract is for 3 years, starting from October 2026, with a gross salary of 2,300 euros per month. You need a master's in computer science with experience in semantic web or Neuro-Symbolic AI. Deadline is, again, it's an urgent deadline for anybody who's trying to take a little bit of time, but nevertheless you have more 25 days left. Okay, so deadline is on 30th of April 2026. Traveling all the way from France to Sweden now. Number 5 is Sweden at Uppsala University, one of Scandinavia's most prestigious institutions. This PhD is part of the national DDLS, that is Data Driven Life Science Program, funded with 3.3 billion Swedish kronor over 12 years. You'll work on uncertainty quantification in large language models for healthcare, specifically using probabilistic machine learning to make LLMs more reliable when analyzing medical reports for diseases like prostate cancer. That's an interesting one. This starts from the August of 2026 and is a full-time position. You need a master's in applied mathematics, machine learning, engineering, physics, statistics, or a related field. Okay, now the time, that is the deadline, is quite a good one, that is 14th of May 2026. So you have enough of time to apply. Don't forget, your application must include a cover letter, okay, a CV, your degrees, and your transcripts of records with grades to be translated in either English or Swedish, a master's thesis or a draft, and some other self-produced technical or scientific text like your publications, or if there is any relevant documents, references with contact information, your name, your email, and your telephone number, and up to 2 reference letters. Don't forget the end date for application, that is 14th of May 2026. The salary is not mentioned, but anybody who's interested can ask or email the professor and ask for it. so you all have an overall idea about it. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This one is my favorite university, TU Delft, Netherlands. Never got a chance to learn from it, but yeah, I've been hearing a lot from this university. Okay, Tropical Kernel IRL. Okay, so number 6 is at TU Delft, consistently ranked among the world's top technical universities. This theory heavy PhD focuses on tropical kernel based offline reinforcement learning, a cutting-edge mathematical approach to make RL algorithms more efficient using maxim plus algebra. The salary scales from €3,059 to €3,881 per month over 4 years, plus 8% holiday allowance and an 8.3% year-end bonus. You need a master's in systems and control, applied mathematics, computer science, or engineering with a solid mathematics background. Your deadline for the application is 30th of April 2026. Link is in the bio. Number 7 is a unique dual location PhD split between Coventry University in the UK and the GITAM University in India. The project applies multimodal large language models to vehicle control systems, specifically designing AI frameworks for a new tire safety technology called the Run Dry Traction System, which removes water from in front of tires for safer driving. You will spend the first 2 years in the UK and the last 2 in India. Funding covers tuition, a bursary, return airfare, and visa costs. You need a minimum 2:1 degree in a relevant engineering or AI discipline, and the deadline for this opportunity is 1st of May 2026. The details are in the bio, the link, okay, in the description. Kindly look at it in complete detail. Also, let me know if you are okay with me explaining each PhD in detail, so that next time if I want to kind of put across the PhD opportunities, and if anybody doesn't want to go through the hassle of reading everything, I can figure out what is important so that y'all can. Or is it fine just to me displaying you to the most important PhDs in chunk? Coming to Norway, number 8 is University of Oslo, Norway. Okay, a 3-year PhD in control and optimization for multi-agent UAV systems. This is generally exciting one. You will develop algorithms for drone swarm conditions and actually deploy them on real UAVs, including field expedition to test how they perform in GPS denied environments. The salary ranges from 550 800 to 595,000 per year. You need a master's in mathematics, physics, control, cybernetics, or computer engineering. A drone flying license is beneficial. Check the official website for the current application deadline. Link in the description. Number 9 is at Cranfield University in the UK, one of the world's most respected postgraduate only universities. This PhD investigates how agentic AI can make global supply chains more resilient against disruptions like pandemics, geopolitical crises, which we are going through right now, and climatic events. The studentship covers a tax-free bursary of up to £20,780 per year, plus full tuition fees for 3 years. This is open to both UK and international students. You need at least a minimum of 2:1 undergrad degree. A master's in supply chain, AI, or business analytics is an advantage. Deadline is 3rd of June 2026. Lastly, number 10 is one of the most exciting on the list. A PhD at TU Delft's QuTech Institute, one of the world's leading quantum computing research centers. You will join in the Veldhouse Group, pioneers in semiconductor quantum computing and push the boundaries of quantum control in germanium qubits, the technology that could power tomorrow's quantum computers. The salary is again €3,059 to €3,881 per month over 4 years. You need a master's in physics, applied physics, or nanoelectronics. This one has most urgent deadline, that is 19th of April 2026, so apply today if this is for you. So this is incredible funded opportunities in AI. Thank you for watching Scholarship. I post new funded opportunities regularly, so stay subscribed, and I will see you in the next one. Good luck with your applications, and kindly share and give a thumbs up for this